Hi guys, how can you merge text and an image together in Photoshop like this? First, select the horizontal type tool and add your text. Press Ctrl+T to resize the text and make it large enough to fit your design. Once you're happy with the size, press Enter. Next, create a duplicate copy of the background layer and drag it above the text layer. Now, go to Select Subject. Once the subject is selected, click the Add Layer Mask button. This will separate the subject from the background and place it in front of the text. At this point, the text should appear behind the subject, creating a layered effect. To enhance the design, duplicate the text layer and drag the copy above the subject layer. Lower the fill at 0 of the duplicated text layer to create a subtle overlay effect. Open the layer style options for the duplicated text layer and enable stroke. Use settings similar to size 5 pixels. Position outside blend mode. Normal color, white, press OK. Now hold Ctrl and select the top text layer and other text layer. Now you can move it. This is a simple and effective way to combine text and images together in Photoshop.